Penblwydd hapus I fi. Happy birthday to me. The big day is finally here. I am 50 today. I have warned you I had a big birthday coming up. I've had to make this video. It's going to be very quick because I need to unwrap this. So I thought I would share it with you guys. I've got a couple of other little things to show you as well, and a very, very quick Rachel's Rambles number 3. So as I just mentioned, it is actually my birthday today. I'm doing this in between other things, and it is boiling hot here as well. So I am going to keep it very, very short. Well, if you're a teacher or work in education, well done. We finished on Friday. What a year. Absolutely crazy. But we've got to the summer holidays. In fact, the last week of school, I managed to do 3 days of ukulele activities. So 12 hours of playing ukulele. So I was absolutely in my element. We also managed to pull off an outdoor concert. I wasn't so involved in that, but yeah, it's been a crazy year and a very hectic week. I will be replying to YouTube comments very soon. I've got a sort of rank in order of things. Obviously, school and work comes first. Ukulele's coming not far under that. But by the time I get down to sort of Facebook and YouTube and all of that sort of malarkey, and Instagram hasn't even had a shout for ages. But now we're into the summer holidays. Hopefully there's going to be an awful lot more going on here in Ukulele Wales. So we're actually having a nice big birthday garden party next weekend. But I have got a few things to show you. I am so lucky with friends and family. So these are the ukulele. I'm not going through everything, don't worry. But these are the ukulele things that I thought you guys might like to see. So first of all, nice new clip-on tuner, USB powered, so really handy. I've already got one like this and I love it. So you can never have too many tuners. Another nice little ukulele present is a pedal. This one is actually, and I haven't looked at these until today, it's believed it's a reverb and delay. All right, so that should be going on to my bass uke or BUFX board very soon. My friends know me too well. Look at this card. Hopefully you can see a nice clear shot of that. So yeah, Minion playing ukulele, and I've got a very, very, very dear friend in school. Without her, ukuleleans wouldn't exist. And she got me this. It's called The Book of Rachel. She knows me too well. Again, I'm not going to go through all of it. These are fantastic. But I literally, the first page I opened, and bear in mind it was during one of the uke days this week. So that is the page. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. All right. She who dies owning the most ukuleles wins. As I said, Vicky knows me very, very well. They are a peek inside Rachel's brain. Mainly ukuleles with a few animals and Mini Cooper cars. So thank you, Vicky, for everything, particularly for this as well. And of course now, the big one that was here a minute ago. Okay, the main item, right, it is a ukulele shaped box. It's not actually the present I was mentioning in my last Rambles. This isn't the present that I've bought myself, but my wonderful, incredible, awesome, fabulous, darling husband, he's probably listening at the door, said that present isn't going to arrive in time for your birthday. And I was like, no, it's all right, not to worry. He went, no, we can't be having that. Obviously, this arrived about a month ago. Once he was like, oh, you've got to have a ukulele on your birthday. I was like, oh, fantastic. And as always, Southern Ukulele Store came up trumps because I really didn't expect them to have any of these in stock. So, right, it's something that I've always wanted, I'm not gonna lie. It's quite similar to some of the other things that I have got already, but this is quite a lovely piece of kit. But my husband, being my husband, let me unbox it because I had to check it just to make sure everything was fine. And literally I had it for about a minute and a half. I managed to test it to make sure, and then it got taken off me and I haven't been able to have it until today.
No.
So it's an unwrapping rather than an unboxing. I'm not going to mess about anymore. All day I've been desperate. So, fair play, he actually wrapped it. And he did it weeks ago. So I haven't been able to get into it since. Alright, so we know what's in here now. Oh. It is, of course, the Risa Tenor electric solid body ukulele in cherry burst, I think the actual colour is. So there we go. It's been about 3.5 weeks since I've seen this last. Oh, I'm going to be really careful. I got very sweaty hands. So there we go. There is, oh, it is nice. My Risa Tenor electric uke. Oh, I literally, what you saw a minute ago is all I had time with it, and plugged it in. Yep, the electrics work, and that was it. So I haven't had a good play with it at all. If I manage to plug it in today, which I'm hoping to do before visitors arrive, and have a quick play of it, I will film that. So if I manage to do that, here it is now. So my darling, lovely husband has got me this as a birthday present. I actually have on my birthday. Rock Chick, Here I Come. It's the summer holidays. We've got a big party next week, so it's going to be lovely catching up with friends and family, and hopefully an awful lot more uke stuff to come. There we are. Rachel's Rambles number 3 over with. Happy birthday to me. And as always, if you've got a comment or a question, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.